Welcome to the BNC Quick Course Series. My name is Craig Sutton. I'm a developer for BNC MainView for Linux servers. In this demo, I will describe some of the new features in MainView for Linux servers version 1.5. Version 1.5 provides new functionality, including support for zip processors, the ability to reduce CPU consumption, and several new views. MainView for Linux servers 1.5 provides the initial implementation of zip support. The processing of Linux process records can be offloaded as zips. Savings depend on the number of process records and will not be significant unless alarms are set on a Linux process real-time view. You enable zip processing by coding the zip equal y parameter in the MainView for Linux PAS parameter file. The MML PERFR view shows the amount of SRB time and the percentage of the PAS CPU time used by the zip processor. Another new feature is the ability to reduce CPU consumption. You can use the Linux monitor rule fields proc min CPU and proc min size to limit the amount of Linux process data that is collected, and thereby reduce the amount of PAS CPU consumed when a large number of Linux machines are being monitored. The $default Linux rule uses a min CPU value of 2 and a min size of 2000, which will limit Linux processes to those using more than 2% CPU or those using more than 2000 kilobytes of resident memory. The PSL OVERA view shows all Linux processes without any limits. The PSL OVERR view shows only the Linux processes that meet the limit thresholds defined by your Linux monitor rule. Now let's look at some of the new views. The flarge view displays the largest files and directories in a file system. This view sorts the file and subdirectory entries by size, largest to smallest, and includes a % utilization field to show size comparisons. The CFLM LVR view is one of the 5 views of the Linux Logical Volume Manager. It shows the LVM logical volumes and related LVM line commands that let you create, remove, or modify an LVM logical volume. It also includes file system commands to make, mount, or unmount a file system for an LVM logical volume. Using the VM REQ user view to set an alarm if any required guest on VM goes down or is missing at required times of day. The VM spool view displays a list of VVM spool files and their owners sorted by size. The VM spool view includes purge and transfer line commands so you can reduce a user's spool space if it becomes too full. The VMLLPRR view displays LPAR statistics for your system. Thank you for your time. To get more information about MainView for Linux servers or any BNC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here.